Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Dolby Vision isn't activating no HDR label, dull colors or standard picture, it usually means there is a compatibility settings or connection issue blocking advanced HDR playback. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix Dolby Vision not working on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So Dolby Vision requires full hardware plus content support. Every part of your setup must be compatible, and one missing piece means no Dolby Vision. So focus on device, HDMI, settings, and content. So first thing, confirm your TV supports Dolby Vision. So check if your TV supports Dolby Vision HDR. Okay, so some TV supports HDR10 only, not Dolby Vision. Check if the content supports Dolby Vision, like look for Dolby Vision or HDR label on the title. Not all Prime Video content includes Dolby Vision. Okay, use a compatible streaming device, like make sure your device supports Dolby Vision, for example compatible smart TV, streaming stick, or console. Older devices may not support it. Okay, check HDMI setup, like use high speed HDMI like 2.0 or 2.1. okay, plug into a HDR compatible HDMI port. Avoid splitters or adapters. It's required for HDR signal. Okay, so enable HDR or Dolby Vision in TV settings, like go to TV settings, enable HDMI enhanced or UHD or HDR mode. It allows Dolby Vision to activate. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.